Hello. Throughout the history of this channel, I've built 3 custom electric bikes and created 4 videos that detail the build process, parts review, and showcase demos. However, I've never explored pre-built off-the-shelf e-bikes, so I'm excited to check out the GoTrax CTI2 e-bike. The bike is shipped in a large cardboard box weighing a little over 32 kilograms. The contents inside are safely secured and well cushioned to protect the bike when shipping. Upon opening the box, you are greeted with the bike, front wheel, handlebar, bell, pedals, key to the battery, front reflector, a well-documented user manual, and an accessory kit including all the tools you'll need to assemble the bike. The assembly is straightforward, taking just 45 minutes to put the bike together. Begin by attaching the handlebars, screwing in the front fender with the included hex key, installing the front wheel with the quick release, and finally screwing the pedals into the crank arms. After this, I plugged the battery in to let the battery management system balance the cells for the first time, and I was off to the races. There's no better place to begin than with the components used on the CTI2. The frame is an aluminum step-through geometry weighing just 30 kilograms with the battery attached. The bike sits at a height of 32 inches when the seat is at its lowest setting, making the CTI2 suitable for both short and tall riders. The motor is a 350 watt rear-mounted geared hub motor. Hub motors are known for their reliability, efficiency, and low maintenance, making it a perfect choice for this bike. The speed controller has a smooth power delivery with 5 different pedal assist modes. For those who don't know what pedal assist is, the bike has a sensor located on the crank hubs that detect when the user is pedaling. Depending on the pedal assist level, the bike will engage the motor to assist you while pedaling. In situations where you don't want to pedal, you can use the thumb throttle located on the left handlebar to engage the motor manually. Now, onto the bike hardware. The CTI2 uses mechanical disc brakes with brake sensors that cut power to the motor when the brake is engaged. The braking performance is solid, matching the expectations for a bike in this price range. The same applies to the Shimano Tourney 7-speed shifter, derailleur, and gear set. Shimano is a trusted brand in the biking industry, and their Tourney gear set can be found on countless bikes and e-bikes. However, throughout this review process, I've mostly stuck to the smallest gear because the electric assist makes starting the bike from a standstill so effortless. Lastly, there's the display. It's the well-known S830 e-bike LCD screen that's often included with your eBikeling e-bike conversion kits. By default, it displays your current speed, battery level, pedal assist mode, and odometer. With a press of the middle button, it cycles through the average speed and max speed. Holding the middle button toggles the front light on and off, and another press switches between Trip A and Trip B odometers. Additionally, the cargo rack is a thoughtful touch, and paired with a milk crate, I'm confident one could transport a good amount of groceries with the CTI2. The CTI2 offers a fantastic package of features that you don't see from competing bikes in this price range. The top speed on the CTI2 e-bike is 37 km per hour on a flat surface with a range of approximately 46 km in normal riding conditions. Expect this range to drop if you rely just on the throttle, and inversely if you ride conservatively. The CTI2 comes with a 48-volt 10.4 amp-hour battery totaling 500 watt-hours and a 55-volt 2-amp charger that will charge the battery in 5.5 hours from empty to full. Paired with the 350-watt motor, this combination strikes a good balance, delivering power when the rider needs help pedaling, all while allowing the rider to get their daily exercise. 350 watts is sufficient for most day-to-day applications. However, there have been a few instances where I wish this bike had a 500 watt motor to power through those situations where I'm tackling steep hills or need to match the speed of traffic. It seems that others have expressed the same opinion, so the new CTI2 e-bike is equipped with a 500 watt motor and a 652 watt-hour battery. And for the speed demons, I'd recommend the Tundra e-bike by GoTrax, which has a top speed of 45 km per hour, or by simply going the DIY e-bike conversion route. Speaking of the DIY route, I'd like to introduce today's video sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is your one-stop shop for those who love to design and build DIY electronics. PCBWay can help with all your CNC milling, 3D printing, injection molding, custom PCB fabrication, and sheet metal cutting needs. Using PCBWay's service is as simple as uploading the step file of your design onto their configurator, waiting for one of their engineers to review your designs to ensure that there aren't any inconsistencies. And once your design is approved, submit your payment and they will start building your design. Thank you to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. The City e-bike is one of the most comfortable e-bikes I have reviewed. The step-through geometry of the frame limits the bike to a single suspension setup, so to compensate, GoTrax has included a plush seat that sits on a pair of bushings that act as springs to absorb the bumps from the back wheels. The seat, in conjunction with the front forks and the cushy 27.5-inch tires, makes the CTI2 a fantastic bike to commute in the city with. Given all this information, who is the ideal rider for this bike? This bike is designed for the casual cyclists seeking a reliable supplement to their city cruiser. It's perfect for those who need help tackling steep hills or want a bit more speed on their cruises. The drop-through frame adds to its overall appeal by providing effortless mounting and dismounting, while the convenient cargo carrier on the back makes it even more practical for those trips to the store. For the speed demons and downhill mountain bikers, I suggest you look elsewhere. And that concludes the review of the GoTrax CTI2 e-bike. Thank you to GoTrax for providing this e-bike to me, and thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions regarding the CTI2 e-bike, feel free to leave them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.